In this video, you'll learn how to deploy your website on Firebase in just a few minutes, completely free and with lightning-fast performance. First, head over to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Project, give it a name, and follow the quick setup steps to create your new Firebase project. Next, open your terminal and install the Firebase CLI by running npm install g-firebase-tools. Once that's done, type Firebase login to connect your account directly from the command line. Now, navigate to your project folder and run Firebase init hosting. Select your project, choose your public directory, usually build or dist, and configure it as a single-page app if needed. After that, build your project and run Firebase deploy. Firebase will upload your files and give you a live URL within seconds. Your site is now hosted on Google's global infrastructure with free SSL included. Finally, you can connect a custom domain directly from the Firebase console under the Hosting tab. Just follow the DNS instructions and you're live. And that's it. Your website is now deployed on Firebase. Fast, secure, and ready for the world.